Kalagarh Tiger Reserve is an extension of Corbett National Park. A small village inside Kalagarh Tiger Reserve, known as Rathwa Dhab, was set to host the nature enthusiasts from all over the country for the second Kalagarh Nature Festival. The goal of this nature festival was to both explore the fauna and the local culture of the region. Let me take you to a virtual journey to the beautiful landscape and culture of Kalagarh through the nature festival. After a great morning birding session at an amazing forest patch, we were all charged up to make the afternoon trail count. Our goal was to find as many bird species as possible. We drove from Corbett Raje homestay after lunch and reached our target area shortly. After splitting all the birders into two groups, me and my group started heading towards the river, where Chinese ruby throat and wall creepers were primary target. On our way, we crossed a small village and entered a well-wooded patch which leads to the river. We found our first bird of the afternoon trail, a jungle owlet, perched out in the open and happy to pose for photographs.
So from here the ruby throat habitat starts. We are going wherever the trail is taking us. So there was a fantail, and yeah, even if there is no trail, we are making our way. But yeah, eventually this will lead us to the river.
We found a common kingfisher with a catch while heading towards the river. Unfortunately, due to our presence, the kingfisher got disturbed and dropped its catch and flew away.
Wow. That's a pretty landscape. कौन सा आउल? एशियन बर्ड. हाँ.
At a distance, we spotted an Asian barred owlet, which was wagging its tail, an unique behavior seen among these species. After spotting the barred owlet, we also found a wall creeper, an absolutely gorgeous bird, and found in very good numbers around Kalagarh. We then spotted a crested serpent eagle perched. After the eagle sighting, we also found a Chinese ruby throat, but we couldn't get it on camera as it is an extreme skulker and we were not going to use any playback. After the ruby throat sighting, we started heading back.
So finally, while going back from the evening trail, we found the brown fish owl.
Though the brown fish owl was quite far, still I managed to digiscope it, and with that, we concluded our afternoon trail and a very successful day of the Kalagarh Nature Festival. After going back to the homestay, we had a panel discussion on the impact of social media, where I shared my opinion as a social media influencer and content creator.
Who is like an expert bird watcher and somebody who is just getting started. So like when I started birding, I didn't had a clear idea of what is ethical birding, what is not ethical birding, because I used to see the bird, like the bird, play calls also. I have done everything, went to a height, but then eventually as I kept doing this over the period of years, I understood like what is right, what is wrong. Like that is the same thing Sritiman also went through. So he had a shot where a tusker was charging his jeep, and that shot was published in a paper. And later on, I was attending one of his seminars, and he was saying that this is a shot that has been published, and I don't like to shot anymore today, because I did something which made the tusker charge my jeep, and so I definitely invaded its like personal space. So this experience I also like gained over the period of year, and the same thing I tell my viewers who are sticking with me when I was like 100 subscriber old, and now I have 6,000 subscriber, and this change like we can all like infuse to the mind of the people who are actively engaged into this birding and wildlife exploration.
The next day, we woke up to an extremely foggy and overcast morning. We understood, unlike the previous day, the final day of the nature festival is not going to have great sightings.
So today is our third day of the Kalagarh Nature Festival, and see, this is how the weather is right now. It's completely foggy. So we are heading towards Dhotial, a small village approximately 20 kilometers away from here, and there we will have our final birding trail, and after that we will have a safari to conclude the festival. So yeah, let's see what all birds we can spot today. So today it's extremely cold, and our trail is through the Dhotial village, and this is the village, and we are heading towards the forest, and then I believe we'll hit the riverbed area. So we'll cover different habitats, I believe, during the trail. So it's total 2.5 kilometer walk that we are going to do, and in this 2.5 kilometer we'll try to spot as many species as possible, because this is the final birding session, as I mentioned. Beautiful village track, but today it's very foggy, and it's extremely cold also. स्कैन कर लेना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी रोस्टिंग का स्पॉट है.
The first bird we found during our trail was a gem, the largest woodpecker of the world, known as the Great Slaty Woodpecker.
We are now heading the river area. It's gonna be even colder in the river. It's already cold today. Very cold. Forest hikes are incomplete if there is no dog with you. Such a beautiful habitat. Very pretty. See, all these experiences I enjoy more than the sighting probably. I'm not sure if this is the case with everyone, but a good morning forest hike is what I crave. It's actually very tricky to cross a river with a tripod in one hand. But yeah, we have made it to the other side. The rest of the group is a little behind.
Yeah.
The bird activity was extremely low around the river. We could only spot a few river lapwings and crested kingfishers. In one of the shrubs, we saw a green magpie, but the magpie refused to come out in the open. And with that sighting, we concluded our trail.
So we are now visiting the Corvette Riverside Homestay for lunch. They are also partnered with Corbett Raje for this event. So this is the beautiful property that you can see in front of me. And you need a jeep to cross this river. During monsoon it is going to be hard to cross this with a jeep also. No, fantasy.
नींबू देखो, नींबू नींबू
Beautiful property.
कोई नेगी जो अभी स्कूल में नेगी सर का ही है his son only ना नितिन.
We enjoyed our local lunch, served on leaves, thoroughly. After all, who doesn't like a good meal after a nice forest hike? Finally, it was time for safari in Sonanadi zone of Corbett National Park, arguably one of the most prettiest zone of Corbett.
So we will try for tawny first, and then we'll probably head towards the grassland area for mammals. So let's see.
Though we couldn't find any tawny fish owl, we had an amazing sighting of a changeable hawk eagle.
So we spotted a group of spotted deer here crossing the road. So there's not much activity, there is no alarm call going on anywhere, no fresh pug marks either, but yeah, sometimes the common species also gives a lot of joy.
We didn't see a tiger during our safari, but we surely concluded both the safari and the Kalagarh Nature Festival with happy faces and lots of unforgettable memories that will stay with me for an entire lifetime. Hopefully, I will be part of the upcoming Kalagarh Nature Festival as well, and probably will meet some of you nature lovers. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.